How can you use Vanilla Visa gift card on PayPal? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this guide I'll be showing you the procedure to use Vanilla Visa gift card on PayPal. To do this, you want to first of all open the PayPal application. I'm going to use the browser version. You could use any applications as well. After you are logged into your PayPal account, then this is going to directly take you to the home page. So after you're logged in, click the menu bar from the left hand side corner and go to wallets or card, bank, etc. So from the list, you want to go ahead and select the options to add a new payment method. So go ahead and choose a card or a debit card. So click on link a card. Now then you need to input the Vanilla Visa gift card number, expiry date, security code, and the billing address associated with the card. Then you want to go ahead and review the information and confirm that you want to add the card to your PayPal wallet. And PayPal might ask you to verify the card by charging a small temporary amount, which will be refunded later as well. Once added, you could select the Vanilla Visa gift card as your payment method when using or when making purchase or sending money through PayPal. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.